Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to Word without losing formatting in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to edit PDF documents, but want to preserve all the original formatting, fonts, and layout intact. Let's jump right into it. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your documents and tools. This is where you'll begin the conversion process, so make sure you're signed in to access all the features Adobe Acrobat Pro DC has to offer. Next, navigate to Recent Files. This section shows all the documents you've been working with lately, making it quick and easy to find what you need. From this list, select the file you want to convert to Word without losing formatting, click on it to open the document in Adobe Acrobat. The file will load, and you'll see the PDF displayed on your screen, ready for conversion. Now look at the upper left panel of your screen and click on Menu. This will open a drop-down with various options for managing and exporting your PDF. From this menu, select Export a PDF. This feature is specifically designed to convert your PDF into different file formats while maintaining the integrity of the original document's structure and formatting. Once you've selected Export a PDF, you'll see a range of file format options appear. Click on Microsoft Word to specify that you want to convert your PDF into a Word document. Then select Word document from the options provided. This ensures that Adobe Acrobat will preserve all formatting elements, including fonts, images, tables, and spacing during the conversion process. After selecting the Word document format, you'll need to choose the folder where you want to save the converted file. Navigate through your computer's file structure and select the destination folder that makes the most sense for your workflow. This could be your desktop, a specific project folder, or anywhere else you prefer to keep your documents organized. Next, you'll have the option to rename the file name if needed. If you want to keep the original name, you can leave it as is. However, if you'd like to give it a more descriptive name or differentiate it from the PDF version, simply type in a new name in the file name field. This step helps keep your files organized and easy to identify later. Finally, click Save. Adobe Acrobat will begin converting your PDF to a Word document while preserving all the original formatting. Depending on the size and complexity of your PDF, this might take a few moments, so just be patient while the conversion completes. Once it's done, you'll have a fully editable Word document that looks exactly like your original PDF. And that's it. You've successfully converted your PDF to Word without losing any formatting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.